Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 57 Chevy Bel Air and this is from a brand called Cartoon. If you guys never knew about this brand, I think this is an American based brand and I think I think so. Okay, it does. Yeah, so MG in US. Yeah, it's a US based brand. So if you guys are from US who is watching this video, so more specifically Lee, if you are watching this video, do let me know if this brand is based out of US. Because that's what I came to know. I really want to know if my information is right. Okay, so with this said, so we did unbox one of the Chevy. I think that is the Chevy, if I'm not wrong. I did love that so much. So I unboxed it long back. I don't know, more than 6 months back. I'm pretty sure about that. So with that said, let's see what other cars are in the series. So it has a El Camino. I really love to get that. So it has a panel, GMC panel, and Nomad. I do have Chevy Nomad by Maisto. It has a cool livery on it. There's a Harley Davidson customized one. But unboxed it nearly 3 years back. Chevy pickup. I love pickups. So okay, Fleet Line. Chevy Fleet Line. I think we have Fleet Line in the double pack with the cool livery. GMC one, though I really want to have this one. Even the color on this one looks really cool. Carpet. I personally love everything in this particular set, but I was able to get only the Chevy Bel Air. Again, I did mention this in the prelude video. I do have a 1:18 version of this particular car, which I bought just I think last month. So I think I bought it for around 5,000, that range. That is by Motormax. So I love older cars. Whenever I'm able to buy older castings, I would definitely buy that. It doesn't matter what the scale is. I do have a Pontiac GT or Judge edition. So I do have that in yellow color. That is also 1:18 by Motormax. I really want to unbox those. Uh, okay, I'm going to do it someday, but let's see when that day comes. Okay, with that said, let's open this. Okay, everything is collecting dust. It's been some time since I actually did any video. Let me see if I can just, yeah. I really do want to keep this on the showcase instead of keeping it back, you know, inside the pack or something like that. Okay, so out of the box, the casting looks really good. So the paint job is actually nice. It is kind of a pearl white. It does have a little bit of glitter to it, which looks really beautiful. I really want to put this under sun and see how this actually glitters. And it has painted headlights. So usually, this brand actually does painted headlights and painted taillights. These are actually cheap compared to, this cube cars from Mini GT or even the Maisto versions. I personally love Maistos that you know tuned series cars. So this is relatively cheap, but we are getting it for a bit on the higher price because of the import and everything. Okay, so it has tail light details also. It looks really cool even in this size. I really like it. But one thing you guys need to remember, it doesn't have any interior. You can see literally the roof here. If you put it this way, let me put some light, you can able to understand that or see that. It doesn't have any interior to it. And I really love the rims on this one. It looks really cool. And so the body is fully metal and the chassis is actually plastic. I think I bought it for somewhere around 700 or 800 if I'm not wrong. And the tires are actually rubber. It doesn't have any suspension either. It looks, yeah, it just stands in this way. But if you put it, as you guys can see, if I put this particular light from my phone, you can see it glitters really well. I really need to use this particular, camera on this light, often now, I guess. It gives a different perspective and it looks. I'm hoping that you guys can able to see this very well detailed now compared to the normal light I am using. Personally, for me, from the view where I'm seeing this, it looks the paint job looks absolutely beautiful. I mean, it glitters, it sparkles like honestly really beautiful. I'm really glad I actually got this particular color. and I'm definitely going to put this in the display here somewhere. I'm just going to rearrange the display now. Okay, so with that said, it feels actually heavy, so let's weigh this car now. Okay, need to switch back. Yeah, 46 grams for the size. I was not expecting that at all. That is really awesome. Let's see if it rolls. Better than some Hot Wheels Premium, to be honest. Okay, anyway, we are not going to roll with this because this has rubber tires, and I don't know if it is, if I can consider that in the rating system. But I'm not going to, because since I already unboxed one before this and I know how this looks, so we need to put a rating system based on this particular brand and how they are doing things. So we are going to go with exterior alone, because interior, end of the day, we are not going to have any interior for on this particular brand. So we are just going to go with how how well the paint job is done, the detailing on the front and rear, and any damages on the, any issues with the tire or anything like that, something like that. Okay, so with that said, let me put it in this particular camera, you guys can see it glitter. Okay, so with that said, I'm honestly giving this a 10 out of 10 because I'm not seeing any issue with it. It has all the detailing to it, at least on the exterior. Again, interior, this brand is not going to have any detailing, so don't worry on that. I mean, if you guys really uh, more keen into getting a tuned car with interior, if you want something relatively cheap, go for Hot Wheels. If you want something a little bit on the like kind of premium end, I would personally prefer My Stores, because My Stores absolutely nails all the detailing part. uh, I do have some more lying around, I need to unbox those. And I mean, I personally don't prefer Mini GT. Today, I actually went to a shop and saw that Mini GT Cube cars for, I mean, 700 or 799 or 899, whatever the price they are selling. It is not really worth it. It is, it doesn't have, he- like acrylic headlights or anything. Just they painted everything just like this. I would go for this because not every car in this brand actually goes for this exact price. Some are, I think I bought that one for maybe relatively cheap. I don't know, maybe 600 or so. So this one I think 700 or so. And that set I bought it for, there is one set which we'll be unboxing end of this week. That I bought it for 1500 or so. So the price actually changes. So if you are able to get it relative, you get it from right seller for the right price, you are good. So if you are just going to keep it like this, it is going to look cool, it looks beautiful, paint job is nice, everything is nice, you are good. So I'm giving it 10 out of 10 for this based on this particular brand. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you like my video, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.